In this video, we are discussing a trigonometric identities question. And the question is, if a cos theta minus b sine theta equals c, then find the value of a sine theta plus b cos theta. So let's get started without wasting much time. We are given with a cos theta minus b sine theta equals c. We'll try to manipulate this relation by using some algebra and try to get the required value. So if I square both sides here, we will get a square cos square theta plus b square sine square theta minus 2ab sine theta cos theta equals c square. And we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. So we can replace sine square theta with 1 minus cos square. So we'll have a square cos square theta plus b square times 1 minus cos square theta minus 2ab sine theta cos theta equals c square. Or we can club the cos square theta terms. So it will be a square minus b square times cos square theta plus b square minus 2ab sine theta cos theta equals c square. We can name this equation as 1. Now we want to find the value of a sine theta plus b cos theta, and square of which can be written as a square sine square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab sine theta cos theta, which can also be written as a square sine square theta plus b square, and if I replace cos square with 1 minus sine square and keep the third term same as 2ab sine theta cos theta, we will get the relation as a square minus b square times sine square theta plus b square plus 2ab sine theta cos theta. So we have a square minus b square sine square theta plus b square plus 2ab sine theta cos theta equals a sine theta plus b cos theta whole square. This is equation 2. And equation 1 was a square minus b square cos square theta plus b square minus 2ab sine theta cos theta equals c square. So this was equation 1. If we add these two equations, we will be able to cancel out 2ab sine theta cos theta, and we will get a square minus b square times sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2b square equals c square plus a sine theta plus b cos theta whole square. And we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So we are left with a square minus b square plus 2b square equals c square plus a sine theta plus b cos theta whole square. And simplifying it further, we'll get a square plus b square minus c square equals a sine theta plus b cos theta whole square. And by taking square root on both sides, you'll get plus minus square root of a square plus b square minus c square equals a sine theta plus b cos theta. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.